Alright guys, on this occasion we're gonna work on this air hammer. I have this matco air hammer. I was using it to destroy concrete, which I shouldn't, and probably some dirt went inside. I'm gonna open it and see what we find. The problem that I'm having with this hammer is basically it's just blowing air. I feel a little bit of pressure in the, but not enough to push it. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna show you how to open it and hopefully find the issue in this problem. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna start with this, removing this. Actually, to take this one out, you have to remove the tip of it, but in this case, it's already loose. I'm gonna just screw it out. If it's not loose, you can just put a crescent wrench and put it right here and turn it. I would recommend you to turn it like this, upside down, so the pins inside they won't fall when you if you do. As soon as I open the upper part, I see the seal is not lined up. You can see it's been following the same. You can see the roundness here where it's been shooting outside, so the air is going through here and it's not sealing all the way, when this one's supposed to be right in the middle like this. You can see the mark right there and the other mark that has been hitting there. So I think all that happened it was never nothing wrong with it. It was just basically fall apart a little bit. I see the seal here wasn't sealing. I feel a little bit of dirt. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna clean everything really good with WD-40. This part is stuck, see? This part has a little bit of rust. It hasn't been moving because there's no air pressure going through it. So I make sure I clean that part. And I'm just gonna get a little container to do that. Here I'm just gonna grab a little container and I'm gonna put some WD-40 to clean as much as dirt as I can. Same thing with this one. Looks like the seal, there's even a mark, which one I don't think it shouldn't be a problem if you put it the opposite way. On this one, I want to clean it. You can feel dirt all over it. Even in the thread, you can feel a lot dirt. So basically, once you're done, clean everything as much as you can. Alright, so we're gonna see here the thickness, which one is thicker than the other. The one is thicker goes on the top. I'm sorry, the one is thicker goes in the between, and the one is thicker goes on the top. So once we have everything clean and set, we're gonna be putting all this stuff back. The guides. Alright guys, so when you're ready to put it in, if you look inside, you're gonna see one point here and one point on the other side. We need to line up our tool. There's a thicker part and a thinner part. The one is thicker is right next to the hole, so this part goes like that. Then we're gonna line our seal, and then we're gonna line up this screw that you see here is gonna line down with this hole, and this hole that you see on the side is gonna line up with this hole, like so. So now that we have all that in place, we have the seal, which it was out of place, we have back where it belongs. We're gonna see if this we're gonna put everything back and see if this thing works. Alright guys, so now that we have everything clean, we're gonna put the big shaft back together. So basically you hold it on the bottom and you just turn it slowly until it goes all the way in. Don't put it upside down until it stops, because if you put it upside down, the mechanism is gonna fall off and you have to take it apart again. Alright, so right there, I tighten it all the way. Oh, it fell there, it tight. If you want to make sure, you can put the crescent wrench and tie it by hand. If you have a vice grip, even better. This one is just to line it up here. can also tighten from here. If you have a bigger wrench, you tighten from here. Alright, so we're all done. I'm gonna put some oil here and we're gonna test it. Alright, so we're gonna put the tip. And we're gonna do the first test. Let's see what happens. There it is, guys. Success. Alright guys, so I hope you guys learned something today in this video. I'm gonna put the model that I have so you guys can check that problem. Hopefully it's just the seal, the move, and this is a cheap repair for you guys. Anyways, I hope you guys learned something today. If you guys have any questions, any comments, you already know what to do, and try to be better every day.